I'm Marcia Chan. My story today is a follow-up of Phrase by Phrase Chapter 5, Cleaning Up the Backyard. In this lesson, our 5 sound focuses are word stress and intonation, the t sound, or actually the 3 t sounds, the sharp t with a puff of air at the beginning of a stressed syllable, as in time and photography. The softer t at the beginning of an unstressed syllable, as in today, after the sound s as in stop, or at the end of a word, as in hat. And the American English tap t, a short, voiced sound in words such as city and photograph. The d sound, as in do and decide. Words with ed endings, which are mostly past tense verbs but are also past participles and adjectives. For example, t as in worked, d as in played, an extra syllable id as in rested. And vowel length, how we hold the vowel longer when it's followed by a voice sound. For example, seat, seed. In fact, I'll talk about seeds. Well, not really. Let me tell you about Tiffany's daffodils. Tiffany thinks daffodils are pretty, so she decided to grow some in her yard. Since daffodils bloom in the spring, she realized that she needed to plant the bulbs in October. She planned everything in advance. She purchased a sack of Dutch daffodil bulbs. She selected a particularly splendid variety. She looked at the package and followed the planting tips on the back. She took out her tools, a pickaxe, a shovel, and a spade. She placed a bag of steer manure nearby. She raised and lowered the pickaxe several times to break up the earth. She used the shovel to dig a hole. She discovered many stones in the hole. With a gloved hand, she removed the stones and discarded them in a bucket. She pulled out the water hose and soaked the dirt with water. She added fertilizer and mixed it with the dirt. She counted 5 bulbs, removed them from the sack, and planted them in the hole. She covered the bulbs and patted the dirt. She sprayed water over the bulbs and adjusted a sprinkler to water them every day. Time passed, and green leaves sprouted from the earth. In spring, the daffodils appeared and brightened Tiffany's yard and heart.